Hello everyone, just another short weekly video from this channel. A common objection that I hear from Muslims in my comment section, as some sort of refutation and response to the doctrine of the Trinity, is that they will quote the Jewish Shema. Hear, O Israel, the Lord is one. But as a Trinitarian, a core Orthodox Christian belief, I too believe that the Lord is one. The word one that is used in the Jewish Shema, echad, well, let's just look at it. Let me share my screen. So, Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 49, let's just read the first verse. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. The Lord is echad, as you can see in Hebrew. Hear, Israel, Yahweh, our God, Yahweh is one, echad. Now, what's interesting, if we also go to Genesis chapter 2, verse 24, and read, Therefore, a man shall leave his father and his mother, and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become echad, flesh, one flesh. Let me show you. Genesis chapter 2, verse 24, and you see the word for one here that's used is echad, same as in the Jewish Shema. So, what that means is that the word one, echad, is also used to describe a compound unity. And that is what the Trinity teaches. That's what Christians believe. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, perfect triunity within perfect unity.